Hi guys, welcome to another video by the working from home guy. Today I'm going to show you the neopixel Kylo Ren lightsaber. It's the crossbar. So here's the box that comes in. Push it open both ways like that, and it flicks it open. As you can see, comes with the stand, instructions and tools, and spare screwdrivers. So instructions, charger for the battery. There you go. Ta-da. Okay, I'm just going to go for the blade plug first. That's pretty cool, huh? The side blades. Neopixel as well. The other side blade, neopixel also. And here's the beast. Oh, pretty cool, huh? Really cool. So it's got that like a, I guess maybe that's the crystal chamber as well back here. Here's the buttons.
Ascension. Have a valid course.
So best to just give it a full charge before use. It's a smooth swing, you can see. I'm not going to unwrap this, so I won't be able to show you it lights up, but here's the 92 centimeter long blade. This is the long blade, neopixel, and showing you before the two side blades. It looks like a flame sort of shape. You don't really want to drill with these side blades because they look like they're made of glass. But this thing here is definitely you know, made for, it's really heavy duty PVC plastic, made for drilling. So I'm just gonna, tighten a blade into the hilt here and the two side blades, and you get yourself a crossbar Kylo Ren saber. So what else did this do? So as you press it once, this has some sort of lightning effect. This other button I'm not sure, but it probably doesn't do anything. To turn it off, you just hold onto it for about 3 seconds. So pretty cool. Looks definitely exactly like the real thing. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe.